Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a panda. So let's get started. To draw this cute panda, let's first start by drawing a big mochi shaped head. So I'm going to start right here at the top and I'm just going to go ahead and draw my big curve. And mochis are usually a little bit narrower at the top and then wider towards the sides and then a little bit flatter towards the bottom. So that's our goal. So I got this one big curve here at the top and then I'm going to bring it down. Oh, nice big head for our panda. Make it extra cute. Okay, so then now I'm going to start to bring it in. And I'm going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom. Hopefully you're using a pencil because at the end here I'm going to show you how, if you want, you can add a bamboo for this panda to hold. So that you need to erase a little bit, but I think it's just much easier if you just draw this whole head shape in first. Okay, so now that we have this huge head in, let's go ahead and we're going to come towards the center. So let's say about right here. We're going to go about right here and I'm just going to draw a small curve for the nose. So about in that area, and I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. And towards the top, I'll just draw a little oval and shade it all in for a highlight. There. And then we're going to come to the sides, about right here. And I'm just going to draw the oval for the eyes. So there's this one big oval. It's a little bit wider towards the bottom, but it really doesn't matter. Just have fun with this to draw the shape. It can be a little bit rounder, longer. It really doesn't matter. Okay, so now that we have that, we're going to do the same thing on the other side, about right there. And once again, I'm just going to try to have it about the same shape and angle. There, so it's a little bit wider towards the bottom. It's like drawing an egg, but kind of tilted. Okay, so something like that. Then I'm going to come inside and right about here in this area, I'm just going to draw a circle for the eye. So same thing here, just to make it more, just simpler. And then I'm just going to shade this all in. We're going for a simple drawing today. Hopefully it'll make it a lot easier to draw. Okay, and same thing over here. There, and now that we have that, let's come to the top of each eye, just say about right here. I'm just going to draw a soft curve. And then let's draw the mouth. So come down from the center a little bit, just about right here. And I'm just going to wiggle this kind of like a wide W that kind of curves up. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the ears. So kind of in this area right here where it slopes down, I'm going to come about right here and just draw this big curve. And you know what, let's go ahead and just shade it in real quick. Just easier to see. Okay, so we're going to drag this point across only because I'm drawing kind of big. Makes it a little bit easier to see where I need to go. And here. So about right here, once again, I'm just going to draw a curve to my points and shade it in. There. Okay, so then from there, let's go ahead and draw this super cute body. So I'm going to say maybe to the sides of the eye, let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and give myself a point. And we're going to draw the arms. So now that I have this, I'm going to come in a little bit and say about right here. And I'm just going to curve for this really simple hand shape right here and just bring it all the way back. There. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So about right here. And bring it in. And connect. There. And then for the body, one nice fat panda. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve. Same thing on the other side. And let's just go ahead and connect it. So we're just going to bring it down. And go right back up. There. And then for the feet, find your center. So about right here. And then we're going to go to the left, go to the right. And here we're just going to draw a soft curve on both sides. And let's go right here and just taper this curve in. And connect it. Make it nice and soft and round. There. So like I said, today we're aiming for nice and simple, right? So no big details, just easy big shapes. There. And you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and shade this all in real quick since we did the ears and everything already. So bear with me here. And here. And 2 more. Okay, there, finally. Oh, so cute, right? The black and white is definitely so nice. Okay, so then if you want, this is basic panda, but if you want the panda to be holding a bamboo, you can come right about here and we're going to do some erasing. But I'm going to go ahead and draw a bamboo stick going about this angle. So I'll start about right here. And you know, let's make it easy. We're just going to go straight down at an angle. It's going to come out about right here. Just fit it in the paw. If you want to make it complicated, a little bit more detail, you can go in here on these ridges and just add these little ridges, I guess you would call them, to make it a little bit more true to the bamboo shape. But like I said, today we're just going for simple. So I'm just going to add maybe some of these curves right here to break it up. And then of course we need to come about, let's say right here, and come out with a little stem and then draw some leaves, bamboo leaves. There. So like I said, right here, you can just kind of bring it in like this on each piece if you want to make it more true to the bamboo shape. There. So I'm going to come in here real quick with my whiteout pen and just do some erasing. Please work. So you put in these little grooves if you want. And that is, oh, one more thing, almost forgot, very important. Let's put a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Panda. I really hope this panda brought a smile to your day and I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.